everyone, this is Shubha. So in this video, I'm going to discuss one peculiar situation which is being faced by us these days. Our students are mailing to the professors and they are getting the positive response in return, but they don't have the IELTS score. That means that the professor is ready to take the student, but when you don't have the IELTS score, what you're going to do now? And maybe the same situation is of yours also. Maybe you're planning for the summer intake, fall intake 2025. And you know that the deadline of US universities, they are going to start from December 1 to December 15. That is the deadline date, and very less time is there. Now you have to plan your IELTS too, and you have to score well. The score well means you have to score more than 6.5. I would say average of 6.5 bands, that's good for you. Now, how you're going to do it out, what is the best effective plan, and is it possible to crack IELTS in 15 days? So yes, it is very much possible to crack IELTS in just 15 days. Only 15 days we have left. Why is I say a mark of 15 days? Today it's approximately 6th of November. And maybe if you're planning for the paper, do plan for CBT first. That's my suggestion. Why I'm saying no for pen and paper is, it takes 13 days for your results, and maybe you are planning for some of the universities which have the deadline at the very first week of December too. So plan a CBT one first time. Second, it is the results, they come at a very early stage, maybe at the same day, or maximum it is 2 days time. Then if you're planning it out is, you have number of dates available in CBT, but in paper, pen and paper, the dates available, they are very much less. So many days are available in November. Plan a date very, very soon. Second thing which I would say it out is, you have just to score 6.5, and that's not a hard score. You have 4 of the sections which you are already aware about in IELTS, that is your listening, reading, writing and speaking. And the master hack is, first you fix a date of yourself, and second is your strategized planning to prepare for IELTS. It's not a tough test. It's not going to check your efficiency, or you can say your proficiency in English. Basically, the paper is not very, very hard. It's an easy one. Trust me, CBT one is easy. I won't say that pen and paper is tough one. Both the ways, it is easy one, but comparatively many a times the feedback has been taken by the students too, and they too say, ma'am, CBT paper was much easier than the pen and paper, and the score was also good. So plan first. And second thing which I'm going to tell is that how you're going to do, or what you have to do now. Very first is you create a study plan. Study plan means a 15 days, maximum 20 days, like suppose you're planning for 25th November or something, like the dates are there. So if you're planning for those days, first you create a study plan for yourself. See, one thing which is very crucial while you're preparing for IELTS is your consistency. Be it any amongst these 4 sections. Once you are giving an approximation fixed time, like suppose a 1 hour, you practice it out for speaking. It's just the cue cards that you have to practice. Thoroughly just you have to revise it out. Speaking, just talk with your friends, remember it out. I only have to speak in English more and more. And that is the way your speaking goes one. Writing, you go with the writing parts, and you have number of, you can say, situations. You can analyze it out and practice that, yes, I have to go for 2 writings a day minimum. Reading, go for the number of essays, and you have to practice it out. Number of the assignments are there. Listening, best way, you just have to listen to the audios, and you have to give a streamline. You have to divide the time in this part, and then trust me, it's not a hard bar. So obviously, second is, first you prepare a plan. First, take a date, guys. Take a date today only. Plan which date I'm going to plan for my IELTS date. Then is your time management, which you have to divide it out. How much time I was going to give for all these 4 sections every day. Consistency is going to be your key to success. Then it is your active reading and enhance your paraphrasing skills. Many a times you are able to score good in speaking, or I would say writing too, but you are very much bad in reading. So what is there? If you are weak in some section, give it a more time. Start with the, you can say, 4 of the sections, 4 of the, you can say, essays every day. So that can even help you out. Paraphrase it out whenever you're reading something. Just talk about the, or you can say, think about the basic underlinings. Write down in the white paper, what is that para talking about? Paraphrase it out. It's very easier when you have a paraphrasing structure, what the essay is talking about, and then you fill in the blanks. It becomes easier for you too. Then is practice efficiently, practice speaking, study plan is there. Know the test format, practice writing, go for the mocks, guys. Go for more and more mocks. Obviously, Practice is going to make you perfect, but yes, having a test every day is obviously going to boost your confidence too. That yes, give as many tests as you can. Mocks are there to drill you out, and that is the way you have to prepare for IELTS part and IELTS journey. So CBT is going to save your time also, and it's going to give you good results too. So the results are very much easy, and there is a noise cancelling headphones to avoid distractions also, writing efficiencies, easily edited the answers, and supposedly the best thing is you can have good days, good time to strategize it out. Last but not the least, I would say it out as you don't have to worry anymore. You just have to start now. Let's start from now only. Go by the end of this video, just plan a date for yourself, fix it out, and any problem you can just talk about it in the comment section. So I hope that you are ready for your summer intake and don't miss it out only because of IELTS score. It's easy to crack and just prepare it to the best. All the best, take care guys, and have a good day.